Okay. So there are a lot of ways to make money. We proved it. For instance, let me look for an easy way. For example, beta reading. Beta reading. Now I know what beta reading is. But let me just show you what people are making, how much money people are making from beta reading. Now, what beta reading is, it's basically reading a book. That's it. Now, once somebody writes a book, they need criticism. They need constructive criticism on their book, whether their book is good or not. And you can charge money for words that you read. For example, this guy right here charges $25 for each 5,000 words that he reads. So if you have a book of over 20,000 words and you're looking for someone to read it, you got this guy, you send him an offer. Basically, you'll have to pay him 4 times the amount because he only charges for 5,000 words. Now, if you have more, go to the premium offers where he offers between 10,000 to 40,000 words long. But the idea is not that. The idea is just to show you how easy it is. Now, you can make money from your passion. Now, everybody's talking about passion. I want to make money from my passion. Now, if your passion is reading books, now why not starting from there? You're reading books anyway, then why not turning it into a money-making job? This guy right here has 16 orders in queue. Come on, guys, 16 orders. You know what 16 orders is? So just right now, he has 16 orders of people trusting him to basically read their books. So if you have a book that you've written and you don't want to release it now, you send an order to this guy. He basically the only thing he has to do is to take your book, read it, and tell you, "Hey, I think your book is great. Your book is great. I like it." Or that your book needs some other things. Basically, it's not complicated at the end of the day, isn't it? Beta reading, for God's sake. You can make money beta reading. Now you don't have to write a word. You only have to take a book from a person and they will gladly pay you. It's not like they will tell you, we don't want to pay you because it's so hard to beta read. No, everybody can read, right? I mean, everybody that went to school can read. So you can turn that into a profitable business. Maybe you can start a business about beta reading. If you're good at it, you can actually find other people in your circle that are good at it, your family, and you can maybe start doing it all together and be productive and get out of the 9 to 5 or uh, as they call it, the rat race, just by reading books. Now, if this is not an easy way to make money online, I do not know what is. But I am going to use that famous repetition effect on you guys. I'm going to continue showing you more and more examples just so that you get programmed. And there's no such a thing as money online is only for the smart. Money online is difficult. It never was easy. No, you are lazy, and making money online is easy.